So, Mr. Bushnell, you were previously in court, entered pleas of guilty to the third-degree felony offense of evading arrest or detention with the use of a vehicle and the second-degree felony offense of engaging in organized criminal activity. Those were for agreements of a 10-year probation deferred in each of those cases. I have received the pre-sentence report. Has everyone had an opportunity to review that report?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are there any additions or corrections to the report?
Just that it may indicate that he doesn't take full responsibility, but after speaking with him, he does take full responsibility for his actions and involvement in both cases.
I've also reviewed jail incident reports. Have you both been given a copy of those?
Yes, Your Honor, I have.
So you're 17 now?
Yes, ma'am.
I don't think he turns 18 until
December 26th.
And Judge, if we need to go back and renegotiate an offer, obviously he's not even out of custody yet, and this is how he's acting.
Well, and
Your Honor, obviously due to his age, I want him to have the opportunity to get his life together, obviously not going into adulthood with felony convictions. I have preached to him the importance of following the rules and not...
you can't do it, can you?
Okay.
You cannot. 21 incident reports since January.
The judge expressed serious concern about the defendant's behavior while in custody, noting reports of repeated rule violations, including disruptive conduct, conflicts with others, and failure to follow jail regulations. The court explained,
Stealing food, instigating fights, being a bully to other people in the dorm. Ridiculous. So if you can't follow rules in the jail, what makes you think you're going to come in here and I'm going to say, sure, go be on probation out in our community? After y'all shotgun, I mean, this is serious. I'm tired of the shootings. I'm tired of people. You could have killed somebody. And because you accidentally didn't kill somebody, you get to get a probation. Not today. If I could send you to ISF, I would consider it. I can't. At this point, I'm going to reject the plea agreements. We will set the cases for a review in about 30 days. Let's see where we are, go over his options, y'all talk. If I can always do, upfront time, but we've got to get to a certain point where that would make sense. And so at this time, I'm just going to reset the cases. Again, I'm rejecting these plea agreements. And let me tell you, you get more of these, it's only going to get worse. I'm going to see them. A jury's probably going to see them a jury will see them if you go to trial. And you're going to end up in prison for up to 20 years because you can't follow the rules in our jail and you're acting like a little punk. So go stop acting like a punk, prove that you can behave, then we'll see what happens. When you come back next, I'll see how many of these I have. Go back with the bailiff. All right, you're Christopher Bushnell?
Yes, ma'am.
And so Mr. Bushnell has two cases, an evading arrest or detention with a motor vehicle and engaging in organized criminal activity, and cause numbers 25-0112 and 0113. There was previously an agreement motion, and a plea agreement for 10-year deferred probation. We were here because of the issues in the jail. I rejected that because if I were going to go along with that, I was going to order the ISF. And so we're back here. And then, so let me ask you, I should tell you what's bad is when I remember stuff, Mr. Bushnell. Your birthday's in October, right? No, December. So we're getting close, But here,
The judge reminded the defendant of an earlier conversation, noting that he had been given an opportunity to demonstrate better behavior while in custody. The defendant claimed he had stayed out of trouble, but the judge reviewed the jail records and pointed out that multiple disciplinary reports had been issued since May 6. The court counted each one, explaining that there had been 11 additional incidents. According to the judge, many of the reports involved the same types of rule violations that had been discussed previously. The repeated pattern reinforced the court's concern about the defendant's willingness to follow rules and comply with future court-ordered conditions.
and what did I tell you?
You come back with no write-ups?
You know how many write-ups you've gotten since May 6th?
I don't know.
You want to take a guess?
I don't know.
Too many to count. Too many to count. May 6th, you got, since then, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 more. Fighting, same things. Fighting, not following the rules, calling names. I mean, same thing. You don't like following rules, do you?
I do.
You do?
Yes, ma'am.
What part of calling a correctional officer the names that you've been calling is appropriate?
It's not.
It's not. So why would you keep doing it after I told you? I told you, go just be good for a month. 1 month, be good, follow the rules. And it's one thing if you've got another inmate running up on you fighting and that was your excuse. But it's not. I'm not accepting any plea agreements. If the jury wants to see all this and give you probation after that, that's going to be up to them. I'm not doing it. Go back with the bailiff. We'll set your case for, well, let me do this. Ms. Holmes has been appointed as your attorney, and she's one of the attorneys who handles a lot of cases for me as a court-appointed attorney. What I can do is release her and appoint a new attorney who can begin preparation for trial. Do you want me to do that? Or do you want to keep Ms. Holmes? All right, Ms. Holmes, get ready for trial. And let me tell you what you're doing. You're making her job hard. She's trying to help you. I wanted to try to help you. If you came in today and didn't have all this nonsense, I'm looking at it over and over, calling them the B word, not doing what you're supposed to, saying, I don't care, write me up, I don't care. If you don't care, then I don't care. Because I tried last time when we had this conversation. So your case is going on the trial docket, and again, we'll let a jury decide what to do with you. Go back with the bailiff.